Listen, real talk for a second. What if I told you that in just 3 minutes, you could make a girl feel closer to you than guys who've been around her for years? No cheesy lines, no practice compliments, no fake energy, just 3 simple shifts most guys never understand. And here's the crazy part. It has nothing to do with looks, money, or humor. Stay till the end, because the last part changes everything. Here's something people rarely say out loud. Real connection doesn't come from being perfect. It's not about your style, your face, or even your words. What truly matters is your presence. That feeling someone gets when you're fully there with them. Most guys miss this completely. They focus on what to say next, instead of how to actually show up. And that's exactly where they lose the moment without even realizing it. Most men walk into conversations already distracted, thinking ahead, planning responses, trying to impress, and she can feel that instantly. People are more aware than you think, but when you show up fully, everything changes. Phone away, eyes focused, energy calm. Your body language says she matters, that she's the only one in that moment. That kind of attention is rare today, and rare things naturally attract people without effort. Presence is where trust begins. It's not some trick or clever move, it's a decision. The moment you choose to be fully there, you set a different tone. When she feels that undivided attention, something shifts inside her. It feels safe. It feels real. And that's what makes her open up naturally. Not because you said something perfect, but because you made her feel seen in a way most people never do. Now, the first minute is all about that presence. Keep it simple. Put your phone away completely. Not just flipped over, actually away. Make eye contact, but keep it natural and warm. Not intense, not forced, just real. Let your posture speak. Lean in a little. Keep your arms relaxed. Nod when she talks. These small things say a lot without words. They quietly tell her, I'm here with you. And in a world where everyone is half paying attention, scrolling while talking, this stands out. It feels different. It feels refreshing. Most people don't even realize how powerful this is. You don't need to say anything impressive. Just being fully present builds trust faster than any clever line ever could. That's the first shift. And honestly, it already puts you ahead of most people out there. Now, let's talk about minute 2. This is where most guys mess everything up. They think connection means talking more, being funnier, sharing stories, trying to entertain. But that's not how it works. Real connection comes from listening better, not talking more. That's the shift. It's not about being interesting, it's about being interested. And that one change flips everything completely. Ask her something real, not the usual, how was your day type questions. That's automatic. Go a little deeper. Ask what's been on her mind lately. Ask what's been inspiring her. Simple questions, but they open real conversations. And when she starts answering, don't interrupt. Don't think about your reply. Just listen fully, let her finish, let her express. That space you give her matters more than you think. And here's the key part. Don't turn it back to yourself. Don't try to top her story. Don't shift the focus. Stay with her. Let her be heard. When a woman feels that you're truly curious about her thoughts, not just her looks or surface level stuff, she naturally opens up. It's not forced. It just happens because genuine curiosity feels rare. And people are drawn to that kind of energy. Curiosity isn't just a skill. It's a form of care. It shows that you actually want to understand her, not just impress her. And when she feels understood, trust builds deeper, faster, without effort. That's what most guys don't get. They try to impress when they should be connecting. And connection always wins over performance in the long run. Now comes minute 3. This is where everything changes. Authenticity. The truth is simple. People are not attracted to perfection. They're drawn to what's real. You don't need perfect words. You don't need to act like you have everything figured out. When something she says affects you, say it. If you don't know something, admit it. If you feel nervous, Own it without overthinking. Being real takes courage, way more than pretending. Anyone can act confident, but showing up as your true self without filters, that's powerful. That's what people remember. When you stop performing and just be yourself, something shifts. The energy becomes honest, and honesty builds a connection that feels different, stronger, more meaningful. That's where things start to deepen naturally. And here's what happens next. When you drop your guard, she drops hers too. The conversation stops feeling like small talk. It becomes something real, something that actually matters. That's when a simple friendship starts to feel deeper. Not forced, not awkward, just natural. That's the moment where real connection begins. And most people never even reach that point. You can spend hours with someone and still feel distant. Or you can spend just a few minutes being fully present, genuinely curious and completely real, and leave a lasting impact. That's the difference. It's not about time, it's about how you show up in that time. Real connection doesn't need hours, it just needs honesty and attention in the moment. Start noticing the small things. Her tone when she talks, the way her eyes light up when she shares something she loves, the pauses in between her words. That's where the real meaning is. That's where connection lives. Most people miss it because they're too focused on themselves, too busy trying to impress instead of understanding, and that's why they stay on the surface. So, here's the bottom line. Presence, be fully there. No distractions, curiosity. Ask real questions and truly listen. Authenticity, stop performing, and just be yourself. That's it. 3 simple shifts, 3 minutes, but they require something most people don't give anymore. Real attention, and that's exactly why it works so well when you do it right. In a world where people feel more disconnected every day, your presence can feel calming, your curiosity can open real conversations, and your authenticity can build trust without effort. Don't underestimate what a few real minutes can do. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can offer someone isn't something you say, it's simply you being fully there, real, and honest. And that changes everything.